Good morning to all my awesome friends and family. I am sharing something new that Grandma just recently bought over at Home Goods. I know, hard to believe, Home Goods. I bought a ring light when I was over there. I saw it and it was pretty reasonable, and what I like best of all, and I don't know if it makes a difference or not because I've never used one and I don't know how to use one. It has three separate kinds of light. It has daylight, soft white, and warm. So I'm assuming that might be a little better to try to film if you have choices. It's a 3-in-1, and it says it's for doing, like it says up here, live stream ready. And I've never done a live stream, so may do it or may not, who knows. It comes with the ring light with phone clip and desktop tripod, and we'll have to wait and see. It says it goes 360 swivel ball head tripod, and then of course it has pro lights. So we'll see if that works. And then universal phone clip. As you can see, they've got the phone clip in the center of the ring light. Not that I film much with my phone, but you know, I might start if it's just something where I'm setting down. But anyway, I just thought I would share with you what I picked up. Now I'm going to show you how much I spent for it. It was only $17, so that was not an expensive ring light. That's why I don't know how good a quality it is. It shows what it looks like and how it sets up better on the back. And you can see how the phone clips in the center of the ring light. And I'm hoping that it is going to be really well at doing videos with it, and shows how you can set everything up and hopefully work out pretty good. Now, like I said, I've never used one, so we'll see how easy it is for Grandma. And you see what it says, live stream ready. Well, we'll hope for the best, and let's hope it's easy peasy as it's trying to tell us. Well, let me know what you think of my ring light. Well, this is what it looks like outside the package. Well, let's see how easy it is to put together. Is it grandma proof? I hope so, because if it's not super simple, Grandma's going to be in bad shape. Well, here's my ring light that I bought. I have my phone going this direction because that's the way I want it to be. It can go up and down as well. You loosen up that back screw there and you can turn it any way you want. But this is the way I want it, so there's no problem. And this is the way I'll be shooting all my videos. And it has 3 different settings right here. That way you can make your decision how you want your light to be. This one here turns it on. And as you can see, it's very bright when it's on. Now this is how this cozy corner looks. It's night outside, so there's a lot of shadow and it's a little on the dark side because there's no light. Okay, I'm going to turn my ring light around and see how it looks then. This is with no ring light on. Now this is with the ring light on. This is the first setting it's on. I changed the setting on it. I really didn't notice much difference in change, how it looks. Let's do another change and see how it looks. This one here, I did notice a difference, and that is the center button here, this one right here. The first one I didn't really notice anything changing. When I changed to this one, I noticed a change. And let's go do the last one and see how it looks. Well, I noticed a little bit different change with it too. I probably am not going to know too much about the ring light until I've used it a little bit. It doesn't seem quite so dark in the cozy corner, so I probably will be using it to shoot videos in the cozy corner because it does get awful dark over here. Well, what do you think? Do you think it helps any? I'm going to see if I can turn it off and then show you how it looks without any ring light on the same area. Well, now you can see it does look a little dark and gloomy in the cozy corner. So the ring light really did brighten it up and make it easier to shoot and took a lot of the darkness out of this corner. And the plants looked a lot brighter because there was more light on them. Now you can see how bright everything is and how pretty it is. And when I come in closer, you can see everything so much better. So I guess it was a winner. I guess I'm going to like the ring light, and I guess I'm going to be using it more than I thought I would, because it will light up the cozy corner, and I'm sure it will light up a lot more than just that. I just need to get used to using it. It was pretty simple to use and easy. But we do have to worry about the reflection coming in things. As you can see how I got the ring light in the reflection of that glass. We'll have to be a little careful of that. Well, thank you so much. I don't know how much I'm going to use the phone with it. I don't know yet. We'll have to wait and see. But it did work out great with the tablet. I thought it gave me a really nice, much better picture in the cozy corner. Much brighter using the ring light. So I'm going to give it an A+. You let me know what you think, if it did any good or not. I thought it did. I don't know how much I like. I think the center section button I like the best, and I like the way it is with just this. So those are my two favorites. I don't really know what the center one is, so I couldn't tell you. But I do think it looks better with it. Well, let me know what you think. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy. Thanks for swinging by to watch this ring light and how it works. Was it something you would buy or not? It was very easy once my son-in-law put it together. So that means Grandma couldn't do it by herself. But he took him like probably a minute to do it. So it isn't hard, you just have to have someone that understands how to do it. And believe it or not, there was no written instructions. And he said to me, no problem, I can do it without it. And he was right, he did. Hugs and kisses from Grandma Sandy, and to all my awesome friends. Grandma's coming up in the world, she has a ring light. P.S. I forgot to mention this. You plug your ring light into the power connection to the, I have Apple products in it. Went perfectly into my Apple. I have no idea if other chargers will work with it or not, but my Apple one worked perfectly. And you just charge it into the power source and you got power for your ring light. Super easy peasy. Another PS. I touched the ring light. Now I don't know if you used it for a long time if it would get hot, but it wasn't hot when I touched it. So it does stay pretty cool to the touch. So that's another plus to it also. See how Grandma keeps forgetting to tell you things. Okay, well, I'm going to say bye now. Hugs and kisses to all my awesome friends. Thank you so much for stopping by.